Hi everybody, welcome back to Lori Craves. Today I'm having a huge craving for kimchi, that juicy, sour, fermented goodness. So I'm gonna make a kimchi tuna melt. I'm so hungry. Let's go! This kimchi tuna melt is seriously the best combo I've ever had. Cheese can get a little rich, so the kimchi sourness 100% balances this out and makes it so delicious. All you need is 2 slices of bread, kimchi, showing off my homemade kimchi, tuna fish, cheese, whatever cheese you like. I have cheddar, mozzarella, and smoked Gouda here. 2 tablespoons of corn, just kidding, double that. 3 tablespoons of butter and some shredded seaweed. Whee! Oh my gosh, it's looking so good already. And you need some parsley and sesame seeds. Add minced garlic, 2.5 tablespoons of butter, and shake up some parsley. This step is optional, but I think it takes the sandwich to another level. Give it a good mix and butter your breads. Spread it out evenly and make sure you get all the edges. This will help to toast the bread evenly. This here is my handy dandy kimchi cutting board. Butternut squash. Kimchi stains everything it touches, so having a separate cutting board prepares you for that commitment. Chop up your kimchi to small pieces. If you don't want to stain your cutting boards, you can put it into a bowl and cut it up with a clean pair of scissors. Now let's stir fry the ingredients. Put half a tablespoon of butter into the pan over medium heat and swirl it around. Add your kimchi and fry it for a minute. This will really bring out the garlicky and sour flavors from the kimchi. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to make it nuttier, as if the sandwich is not crazy already. Add the tuna, break up the big chunks, and mix it up. Add the corn and make sure it's evenly heated up. Turn off the fire and sprinkle the seaweed, sesame seeds, and parsley. Mix this all up. If you want to keep it simple, you can totally skip the stir-frying step and mix your ingredients in a big bowl minus the butter. Stir-frying the ingredients will help bring out the flavors. Heat a big pan on low, put your 2 slices of bread on. Once it's toasted, flip. Sprinkle your cheese onto your bread. Look at that cheese melting. Add your filling to one side. You can see the heat of the toasted bread and filling helps to melt the cheese. Stack the cheese side onto the filling side of the bread and just let it toast. Flip it over and toast for another minute. Once it's nice and toasted, scoop it up. Slice it in half and cheese pull! If it's as cheesy as my jokes, you have succeeded. Sprinkle some parsley, and your kimchi tuna melt is ready to be devoured. Yum nom noms. Ready for the crunch montage? I am so happy right now. Real talk, 90% of this footage was just of me eating the sandwich because it was so freaking good. I couldn't stop. Oh my god. I legit devoured it. There's so many flavors in one bite. Sweet, salty, sour, and cheesy to balance everything out. And it's just the perfectest combo. Definitely recommend doing the garlic bread. And I got my probiotics and fish oils for the day. This lunch is pretty healthy if you ask me. Craving satisfied! Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos and hit the notification button to get notified for when I have a new video. Comment below with what you're craving and maybe I'll make it. Enjoy! The cheese is cold now. No! Oh my god, I can't even talk right now. It's so yummy. I'm pouring myself in. This should be mukbang.